everyone, I'm out here with the Peter Johnson and we're about to go over the Jigsaw, the third saw you might be using in technical theater.
The most important thing about the Jigsaw, it comes in this wonderful case. And so, you get to see an unboxing. This is how it should look when you return it to the tool area. Whoa. The most important safety on the Jigsaw is my 10-finger rule. You should be able to see 10 fingers at all times whenever you're using this saw. Which means you don't hold a board like this or like this. You need to see all 10 fingers. So if I have all 10 fingers visible, I know I can't cut myself with this blade that's going to go below the board where I can't see. The main reason why we use a jigsaw versus a circular saw is the jigsaw allows us to make curves. In theater, this saw is our best friend. When the jigsaw blade starts to get worn, you can see here this burn mark. That's from it getting too hot. It's time to change the blade. So we're going to show you how to change the blade. And again, remember, it's always unplugged when you do this. All that you have to do is on the front, release and pull the blade out. And then take the blade, and these are called T blades, and you can see the top of it, it looks like a T. And just slide that back in. And then release. And that blade is in. This jigsaw has what's called a trigger lock, which allows you to lock the trigger in the on position to be able to make a cut. So you can grip the saw the best way for you. And then when you're done, you just squeeze the trigger and it goes.